Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a custom instruction into your ChatGPT account that will accelerate absolutely everything that you're doing, and it will take your user experience to the next level. If you stick with me right to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of that for free. Let's get started. Okay folks, if you want to enhance your ChatGPT experience, you need to start over here at this website, brand-scientist.com. Come on over here, have a little looky-loo at my new website. I'm really proud of this and working with my good mate Grant Tom, and we're getting some great traction with this. But I got you a freebie over here, so when you come to the site, just come on over here, go to Einstein and go try Einstein for free. It'll take you to this opt-in page. Just create a account with your name, your email, and create a password. Tick that. You're not charged for anything. There's no cost associated with any of that. Once you opt in, you'll be presented with this page, and my surprise gift to you is that there's not a one lot of custom instructions, there's 3 lots here. So this first one here, and they all get installed the same, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in a sec. This is about branding, marketing, and sales, and about your business. This one here is a simulator that'll help you to understand second, third, and fourth order effects of your decision-making process. It's a huge amount of fun to use. I've been playing with this in so many different scenarios in the last couple of weeks, which is really cool. And we've got this one here, the adaptive interactive prompt. So I created this as a reaction to the custom instructions that we have in our ChatGPT account. So if you come in here into the custom instructions, that's it there. Let me just show you how to do it. That's what your account will look like if you haven't played with this before. So again, you just come into your menu, custom instructions, and when you mouse over here, this little information button, it goes through some explanation of what it all means here. But as you scroll down this page here from OpenAI and it tells you about what this is, it's actually pretty thin. So what I did is I copied and pasted all of this and I put it into ChatGPT and I said, hey, can you explain this to me? What does all of this mean? And how can I make this work in a different way? Because I feel like when I use ChatGPT, it's just telling me like what I already know. And I don't feel like I'm getting new information sometimes. It gives me a fact or it answers a question for me and I just go, hey, whatever, man, I already know that. I could have found that out in Google. And it doesn't feel that much different to Google. So what I was trying to do was to figure out a way how I could customize the experience to my tone, to my voice, to my writing style, to my inflection, to the emotions that I have in the writing that I've got. And that's what I've done. And when you insert these custom instructions, and it doesn't matter if you insert the ones that I'm about to show you here or you put your own in there, what you'll find is the experience of ChatGPT will be radically different when you do this. So you think, well, how different can it be? Well, the large language model has got 1 trillion or so different connections in there. And if you're nudging it in a slightly different direction because you're giving it a slightly different instruction here in these custom instructions, then it's going to operate in a different way. So I really encourage you to play with this. It's a hell of a lot of fun. So the way to install it is very simple. Once you're on this page, just click the button there. It's very simple. Copy and paste that one in the top one. Make sure you're pasting them in the right place, of course. Copy the bottom one. There it is there, and paste it here. So when you look at the instructions, it's all very simple. There's a little tiny bits of code in there and that, and ChatGPT helped me to refine this code to get the answers that I was looking for. But you can really summarize it here. When I provide a context, an emotional tone, a persona, or a primary goal, adapt your responses accordingly. Just that little bit of text there creates a huge difference in the way that you can use ChatGPT, and it will change the results that you get vastly from what you've got without it. So the way to test that would be, so you paste it all in, you hit the save button, then you turn it off for enabling new chats. So turn it on first, of course, and then play with it, ask it some questions. Then come back and turn it off and see the results that you get when it's turned off, and you'll see it's dramatically different. And if you want to come over here and add something or delete something or change it slightly differently, you can definitely do that as well. And it goes, so, I'll guide you through a series of layered responses, scenario simulations, and feedback-driven iterations. So all of these things are the things that you can play with and you can change. And these are so ChatGPT is an incredible tool for optimizing that. You might want to nudge it in a direction 20% that way or 20% that way. You want to change it to be slightly differently for a variety of different reasons. And you can do that. It's actually pretty simple. So inside the second part here, there's a prompt within the prompt to begin using this. So when I hit the save button, it won't go and be initiated unless I go /start. Now, you may or may not know, but ChatGPT only sees the last 6,000 words above in the chat. So you need to periodically save what it is that you're doing. And what it will do is it will summarize everything that you've done so far. Then it can use that as a reference if you're continuously referencing to the chat that's above you. If you want to know some more information about why it's telling you something, you just go /reason. If you want to change your goal, /settings. And if you want to start again, go /new. What I recommend that you do with this is leave it switched on so it's enabled for all new chats. And if you don't get the response that you want from the query that you suggest, come in, turn it off, open up a new chat, give the query again and see if the response is any different. So you need to test this a little bit. You need to play with it to see if your responses are what you expect. So it's very easy to install. It's very, very simple to install. And once it's in, it's in. That's it. So if I come in here and I just fix it so it's saved. Well, it's saved already because it's already in there. If I just go into a new chat, that's from the video that I recorded before. If I come in to go move out of the way here and go /start, this is how it enables it. So now it's going to switch it on for the new chat. So there it is there. So wherever I go ahead and what do I want to focus on, whatever I'm talking about, whatever query I've got, it's going to give me a vastly different result and a better result in my view. It's much more personalized to your writing style and what it is that you're trying to do. So hopefully you understood how to do that. It's very simple. If you're not sure, just go back and rewind the video and press the pause button. It's very, very simple to do. Don't forget there's a bunch of other custom instructions in here as well for you to try out on the inside of the dashboard. And this one here is a hell of a lot of fun. This will help you to understand the second, third, and fourth order effects of your decision-making process. So I encourage you to try those ones out as well. But you're not going to need to use this branding and marketing thing all the time, nor this simulator, but this is something that you can leave switched on in perpetuity because it will really help you to get more personalized results. All right, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy that freebie. There's another video like this one coming up right here.